Hi guys! Aniq here.
One here. Oh here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing an iPad.
And this iPad is a iPad 7th generation, so it's the latest iPad.
So here it's so we're going to be unboxing the iPad 7th generation today. So this iPad has 32 GB of storage, and it comes in the color rose gold. So here you guys can see the box. Here's the front, and here's the back.
And we're also gonna be unboxing a case with it and the screen protector.
So let's open it.
Yeah! Whoa!
So here, the first thing that comes out is the iPad. Here it is. This comes in rose gold, so here it is. And now let's see what's over here. So over here we have a USB to Lightning cable. USB-C would have been better. USB-C to Lightning, or maybe just USB-C to USB-C like the iPad Pro. And then we have this box. Let's see what's in it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this iPad paper, it has iPad information, home button, and smart connecting. So
I didn't know this is some information about the iPad.
So since this is an iPad 7, there comes a folio with it. You can buy a folio separately. And to connect it, here's the 3 little buttons. And also this is compatible with the Apple Pencil Gen 1, not Gen 2.
And this comes
And
with
then we also have this paper. And here we have the charging brick. It's a 12-watt one, an 18-watt one like the iPad Pro would have been better, but it's okay. So now let's go on to the iPad. Okay, so here you guys can see the iPad. Here's the front and here's the back. So this looks bigger than the iPad 5th generation we have, because that has a 9.7-inch screen and this is a 10.2-inch. So I guess they were able to get the bezel smaller. Over here you can see. And now let's take off the plastic. This looks, the rose gold kind of looks more like gold. It might be gold instead of rose gold, but now let's open it up. Welcome to iPad. Let's start.
Wow.
So here's the iPad. You guys can see right over here. So now we've opened it. You guys can see it looks like the normal iPad, just with a little bit of a bigger screen. It doesn't have too big of a difference. And here you guys can see the camera. Let's test that out right now. Okay, so here are the pictures. So here's the front camera as picture, and here's the back camera's picture. So the front camera's picture kind of looks a little bit more pixelated, while the back camera looks kind of more clear. But that kind of makes sense. So now we're going to compare it with the iPad 5th generation. So we have it right here. So
size,
you can clearly see this one is smaller. So in order to fit in the 10.2-inch screen, they had to increase the size of the iPad. Over here you guys can see. Also, let's look at the back.
So this does not have any buttons over here or over here compared to this.
Yes, so you're able to connect this one with the folio, but you can't connect this one. Speakers, they look the same.
Yep.
Over here. And now let's compare it with also the
iPad
Pro 3rd generation, I think, without the home button. Okay, so you guys can see now that instead of having the folio button things over here, they're now over here on the bottom on the iPad Pro. Also, it has more speakers because there's 2 sets over there, 1 set over here and 1 set over here.
And this is USB-C, while this is normal.
Yes.
So we have a case. So our case is red.
Can you show them the case?
Yep,
The case is red.
So what color is the case, Muaz?
Black.
Yay!
And this has a stand.
Let's open up the stand. Muaz, you can show. Want to show them the stand?
And place it down. Yeah. that's how it's with the stand. It's pretty.
Here, we put on the case. Right, Muaz? Wait, let me just put these on the back, and then we put in the case.
So there's this little hole. You can see some color in it, so it's not fully hidden.
So Muaz, show them the case.
And look at this guy. And look.
Yeah, so this case over here, it has silicone on the back, so then when it falls, the silicone kind of absorbs it, and then you can see the Apple logo, so you kind of know what color it is, and it has a protector for the lightning, and it has a stand, right, Muaz?
Yeah.
And it actually puts some weight on the iPad.
Yes, it feels heavier now.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try.
Okay, so
Oh.
Muaz, do you like the iPad?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Who's it gonna be for?
My grandpa.
My So this iPad's gonna be for her grandma. We got it for her birthday as a gift. So it's gonna be cool. She's gonna like it, and thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.